Maiden Voyage on the new Kayak. Not a very big little pond. Pretty glass out right now. Still high. It was like 97. Ooh, off the Walker Daughter Company bait. Here we tell. Fish on, baby. The only thing that sucks about fishing out of this kayak is that it's so small. I got nowhere to put this rod. Is on. Hook's good. Alright, that's fish number 3 for the day. Lost the first 2 due to camera overheating, but off of the Walker Daughter, curly tail, and like purple. Alright, it's like almost like a June bug. Not as bright as a June bug, but it's like a purple with like purple green flakes on there. So dude, check them out. TikTok. Alright, TikTok, look them up on there, hit them up, let them know that Ripping Lips Taking Dips sent you. Alright, thanks for biting. Fish on. Fish number 2 off the Walker Daughter. Curly tail, man. That's a decent one. That's the biggest one so far today. Good old Copenhagen. Ripping Lips, taking dips, baby. Alright, that's the second time that fish has jumped right there in that particular spot. I feel like if I don't cast right there, that is going to be a sin, dude. And I have casted right there before. So that's not what I wanted. But if I cast in this general area, oh, fish on, baby. Fish number 3, Walker Daughter. Jake, you gotta send me like 4 more packets of these things, dude. Because I'm about to go through them all just on this trip alone. What did I say, man? If I didn't cast in that general direction, or at where that fish was jumping multiple times, that was going to be a sin that is unforgivable. And it paid off, dude. First cast in that spot. It wasn't a giant, but it definitely was worth it. Fish on. That's fish number 6, baby. Yeah, that's fish number 6. And you already know what that was on. Dude, these things do not miss.